In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a website using Hostinger, a popular web hosting service known for its user-friendly interface and reliable performance. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get your website up and running quickly and efficiently. First, we begin our journey on the Hostinger homepage. So, launch your favorite web browser and navigate to the Hostinger homepage. You can do this simply by typing in the web address or searching for Hostinger in your search bar. Once there, you'll be greeted by their clean and straightforward interface, designed to make your experience as seamless as possible. The first task at hand is to add a new website to your Hostinger account. To do this, look for the Websites section on the left-hand side of the H panel, Hostinger's control panel. It's usually quite visible, so you should spot it easily. Click on this section and it will lead you to a new page where you can manage your website settings. Here, you'll see an option to Add Website. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial as it begins the process of setting up a fresh, new website that your audience can later visit. Once you click on Add Website, you'll be prompted to fill in a few details about your new site. This includes setting up a name for your website and your domain details if you have them ready. Don't worry if you don't have a domain yet, as Hostinger offers helpful tools to purchase a domain right from their platform. Next is a step where you could take a little pause to make some creative decisions. Choose the name of your website carefully since it will represent your brand or the theme of what you want to share with your visitors. Once you have made your choices, continue with the prompts on the page. Hostinger will guide you through options to either use an existing domain or purchase a new one through their services if needed. As you proceed, Hostinger may provide additional offers or services. Make sure to read through these to understand if they might benefit your website. Often, there can be helpful add-ons that are worth considering. After everything is set up, you need to confirm and finalize the submission for your new website. Hostinger will then proceed to configure your site in the background. After a moment, your website will be configured and ready for further customization. This is where you can start adding content, tweaking design elements, and making your website truly yours. Remember, while Hostinger's platform does simplify the technical aspects, take your time exploring the tools available to make your website not just functional, but also uniquely appealing to your visitors. And there you have it, these fundamental steps to start your web presence using Hostinger. Enjoy your new digital space and happy creating.